Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful in your life. This is your general love reading for Sunshine, Moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating with you. Okay? And you can check your Sunshine and Moonshine and also Venus sign. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for getting more videos and messages to you. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything, if you want to tell me anything about anything. Okay, so and one more thing I want to tell you that thank you so much for commenting and liking and loving the channel. I really appreciate and saying thank you all for supporting my channel, for commenting beautiful messages to me, Aquarius. And I will try my level best to deliver all the messages, whatever messages I will be getting for you. So let's start your love general reading for November 2020. Bottom of the deck I'm having 2 of cups. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, world card. First is world card. Okay, so let's see all the messages first, then I will tell you the reading. Wow, 6 of cups. What are the messages? 5 of swords. What are the messages? 5 of swords, 5 of cups. Okay, what are the messages? Wow, beautiful Aquarius. The Sun card. It just fell out. Okay, so Sun card is there. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to them. 8 of wands. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Emperor. Let's see what are the messages which I need to... Wow. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. 10 of cups. Oh, what are the messages? 8 of swords. What are the messages? Strength and Ace of cups. Beautiful, wonderful messages for you today, Aquarius. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Wow. Queen of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune and the Star. You're coming in your reading, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck I'm having Page of Cups, 2 of Cups, 2 of Wands. Okay, let's see any other message. Any other message? Wow. Ace of Pentacles, Aquarius. You are getting new hopes, new beginnings, something new is coming towards you. And bottom of the deck I'm having 6 of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. Wow. See, all aces again. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and Ace of Swords. Equal amount of give and take. You're getting the clarity of something. You're getting the clarity. So let's start. You're completing a cycle from someone from the past. Okay, there were some conflicts around you, Aquarius. Again, while shuffling I'm getting the Emperor. Okay, so let's see, let's start your reading. So Aquarius, you are completing a cycle with a person, the person from your past. You are completing a karmic cycle. Completion of a cycle is there from the person who is from your past. Okay, and what are you completing? The completion is the conflicts. There were some conflicts around this person whom you were dealing with. There were some conflicts with this Five of Swords, so the conflicts are ending. Okay, you are completing that cycle. Okay, these are getting end with this person. Maybe some of you, either you or this person, is feeling this Five of Cups, feeling sad, remorse, okay, guilty on the fallen cups. Whatever is happened with this person, you, either you or the other person, is feeling very sad, but you are completing a cycle because there is the sun. After this there is a sun. Can you see? There is a sun. Beautiful combination. Either you are feeling very sad, grief, sorrow on the fallen cups, on the things which were fallen out of your life. Okay, you are feeling very sad and remorse, but the new beginnings are there. Okay, see, the sun card is there. So new beginnings in love, in life, a new chapter in your life is going to start with the sun. And there is a communication with this Eight of Wands and the Ten of Cups. New beginning is coming towards you. See, can you see? There is a sun, Eight of Wands and Ten of Cups. So there is a new beginning, new offers, new beginning, and you're getting communication. Either you are getting messages through WhatsApp, online messaging, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram, anything. Lots of messages are coming towards you. For this, you're getting some stable, happy family card. This is Ten of Cups, emotional, happy family, happy married family. Okay, so you're getting messages regarding this happy family card. You're getting new offers, new beginnings in life, in this achieving in this Ten of Cups. Okay, some of you are feeling restricted. Why are you feeling restricted, Aquarius? This Eight of Swords, you are feeling restricted, but you are keeping your strength back. You are gaining your strength back. You some of you are feeling stuck in a situation, feeling restricted, not able to move forward, but you are moving forward by keeping your strength with you. Okay, you are moving ahead, you are moving forward, keeping your strength back. You are gaining your power back. You are keeping your strength, you're gaining your strength, together, and you're moving forward to achieve Ace of Cups, and you're getting your emotional fulfillment again. Ace of Cups is there. So there is a offer coming your way with this Ace of Cups. You're getting your Ace of Cups. Okay, there are 2 3 energy. You are taking an energy of Queen of Swords. Ready to cut any lies, cheating, manipulation, deceit around you. You are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. Okay, but the other person as King of Wands. Can you see? These two, you both are taking this energy. This person is approaching you in a very passionate, they are very passionate towards you, Aquarius. They see you something very passionate. Okay, very creative, very passionate, full of creativities, full of passions. They see you. Okay, King of Wands is all about passionate things, full of passionate things. Okay, but you are asking them. Can you see? This queen is asking, like, you are asking them, and you are ready to cut any of energy or person who is deceptive, who is telling you any lies and cheating. But this person is not telling you any lies or cheating, Aquarius. Okay, because this is the person who loves passion. Okay, this person is full of passions. Okay, they appreciate passion things. Okay, so they are full of creativity, passion, and they will treat you as a passionate thing. But you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. Okay, no emotional attachment, and ready to cut any bullshit or lies or cheating. Okay, so not bullshit. ready to cut any manipulation, cheatings, lies, deceptive energy around you. You are ready to cut them. You are still not trusting them. Okay, you are ready to cut them off. Because why are you ready to cut them off? Because in the past you were getting 10 of swords, backstabbing, hurts, lies, cheating. Can you see this? You were getting 10 of swords in the past, and because of this energy you are taking the energy of queen of swords, and you are, this is the completion of swords energy. Okay, they, someone in the past, they put you all swords in the back, they hurt you a lot, they given you pain. Okay, so you were saying that enough of that thing, and not, I'm not ready to give any, manipulation, lies, cheating, this energy I'm not going to entertain at all. Okay, so you are in a mood to cut any lies, cheating, manipulation, people around you. Someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius. Someone is rushing towards you. Can you see? And they are looking excuse, Knight of Swords is there. Someone is rushing towards you, and they are seeing you, that they are worried about you. They are worried about you, and they are looking at this connection, that where it is going to happen. Okay, where this connection is going to move. But they are rushing towards you. They're coming in a fast pace towards you to give you something in life. Okay, but they are worried about this relationship. They don't know whether this relationship is going to be. Okay, this person can be a queen of pentacles. Okay, maybe they are financially stable. Okay, they can be a financial stable person who is coming towards you, or they see you someone who is queen of pentacles, who is financially stable and strong. Okay, and wheel of fortune is moving to in your favor, Aquarius, and you're getting three beautiful energies. Can you see? Wheel of Fortune, Star, and Ace of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Good fortune is coming towards you. You are getting new hopes, and this is you, the Star card. You're coming in your reading. So you are getting new hopes. Okay, new beginnings, new hopes, new desires in love, in life, in career, and you're getting something solid. Okay, something stable, something solid, committed offer. Okay, something that you can touch. Okay, something that you can say that this is my offer. Can you see? There is a love offer here. So there is someone who wants to offer you something. This can be your person, you are the new person with whom you are dealing with, or if it is not right now there in your life, so they are coming in your life. Okay, because can you see, there is a pentacle here and there is a pentacle here too. See, there the queen is holding a pentacle and there is a pentacle offer here. So maybe this is your person, who the new person, which are financially stable. Okay, they are financially stable and grounded, and they want to give you a stable, solid offer. Okay, the wheel of fortune is in moving in your favor, and they are giving you new hopes and desires in love. Because I take it as love, so they are going to give you something which you can touch, something which is solid. Some of you can be get committed in life. Okay, so yes, they see you something very solid, and they want to give you something solid offer. Okay, so don't feel restricted, Aquarius. Don't feel restricted. And I am seeing that you are getting out of that energy. You are keeping your strength with yourself. Okay, and you're getting your emotional fulfillment cards. Okay, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles, both are there. Can you see? This both cards give you lot of things. Very more major arcana are there in your reading today. Okay, but don't be so harsh. Okay, don't be so harsh in judging others. Okay, I can see you that the Queen of Swords is anyone who will not accept any emotional mind games, basically. Okay, they know what is truth, what is the, what if anyone is playing with their game, with their mind, if anyone is giving them deceptions, cheating, lies, they will cut immediately them. But the person whom with you are dealing with right now. Okay, right now there is a person in your life who is very passionate towards you. Okay, they see you someone very passionate, and they themselves are very passionate as a human, as a soul. They are very passionate in life. So they are coming your way, Aquarius. They're coming your way. Okay, you need to keep your strength. Don't focus on fallen cups. Don't focus on fallen cups. Two cups are waiting at your back. Okay, don't feel sad. Don't feel sad at all. And this is one more confirmation that you're getting new beginnings. So you do not have to worry about anything. Okay, in life, new beginnings are there. Can you see? You do not have to worry about it. You do not have to be sad at all. And you are getting sad because there were some conflicts around you. There were some conflicts around you with the person from the past. Can you see six of cups? And this can be the person. The soulmate card is there. So this is the person with whom you are dealing with, but the completion card is there, the world card is there. So you are completing a cycle with them. Okay, that cycle, that chapter is getting over in your life. You are completing that cycle. And Aquarius, this is your love general reading, and I'm going to do these cards in the extended reading. I'm going to clarify these cards in an extended manner. Okay, I'm going to clarify these things, these cards, in the extended reading. So I will see you in the extended reading, and I will let you know what these cards are there, what these cards are in a deeper way. Okay, I am going to see that what are the offers coming your way, what is this Queen of Pentacle, what is this King of Wands. Okay, I'm going to explain these cards in the extended reading. So let's see what are these cards mean. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Don't worry about it, Aquarius. Sun card is there. Okay, I'm going to tell you this thing, and see very beautiful combination. Star card, Wheel of Fortune, and Ace of Pentacle is there. You're getting new offer, new hopes, new desire, and stable committed offer is coming towards you, and it's moving in your favor. Okay, so you do not have to worry about it anything. Okay, so this was your general love reading. I hope it resonates with you. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for getting more videos and messages for you. Okay, Aquarius, till the time, take care of yourself, and see you soon, my magical beings, Aquarius. See you.